Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This is Ayush and from today we are going to start our Linux series. So today in this tutorial we are going to cover the installation of Linux operating system. That is, we are going to install basically Ubuntu, and we will see the basic concept of VirtualBox. What is VirtualBox and why we will use it, okay? So let's start with the first VirtualBox. So VirtualBox is nothing but one kind of software that we use to run different operating system in our main host, okay? So our main host here means that our this operating system, that this one which I'm using right now, that is Windows 11, okay? So in this operating system we are going to use another operating system with the help of VirtualBox, okay? I hope that is clear to you, like what is a VirtualBox. Okay, so basically we will install Ubuntu OS, but before that you will need to first of all install VirtualBox. So how you can do it, you have to just go on this particular website virtualbox.org, and you have to click on this download VirtualBox 6.1, and then according to your host you can download it. If I hope it's Windows, so you can just click on Windows host, okay? This will download the installation file, and actually I have already installed it. I have already downloaded this file, so I will just cancel this, okay? And let me go here. Here you can see I have this file, okay? So what you have to do, you have to just double click on it, and it will just ask for the administration permission. You have to just click yes, and then it will start installation. Actually I have already installed VirtualBox, that's why it's coming like that. First of all I will remove it, okay? Let me remove it first, then again it will install, okay? It will take little bit of time, don't worry for it, okay? We will wait but till now I pause the video, okay? So guys, my VirtualBox has been already uninstalled. Now again I will click on this particular file and just hit on yes. It will start, okay? So just you have to click next, then you have to make sure all the options are tick marked. You have to click yes, then install, and it will take just approx 5 minutes of time, not more than that, okay? First of all, let it be installed, and yeah, it's installed, I think. After that I will tell you about the installation part of the Ubuntu operating system. So Ubuntu operating system is nothing but a Linux distro, okay? So I will cover all that point in the next video. And here you can see the VirtualBox is installed. I'll just click on finish, and the VirtualBox will come up, okay? So here you can see my VirtualBox has been loaded, and don't worry about these files because I had already these files with me, so don't worry about it. I will tell you the installation part of Ubuntu operating system, okay? So what you have to do now, you have to go on you have to just search Ubuntu, okay? Nothing else. Then you have to just go on this download section, or you can go by this ubuntu.com/download, and here you can see the Ubuntu desktop. You have to click on it, and then make sure the version of I'm also using this current version. You have to just hit download, okay? And the download will start. And also I have already downloaded this file also, and you can see the file size is approximately 3.4 GB, okay? So if you have Wi-Fi, then it's good. If you have not, then you will need some extra net, okay? I have already installed it, so I will just cancel it. You can see the file here, Ubuntu desktop, same version, okay, 2022.04. So what I will do now, this is my VirtualBox. I will just hit new. I will just name my OS. I will name it Ubuntu OS, and make sure don't change it now for don't change the location, as maybe you can face some error, okay? And here the type is Linux, and this is all default, okay? You will get the same. You have to just click on next. Make sure you provide the size more than 4 GB at least, and if you 4 MB, sorry. If you have a RAM of laptop approx 4 GB RAM, then make sure you provide half of it, otherwise your laptop will hang, okay? So now click on next, create a virtual hard disk, click on next, dynamically allocated next, and here you can provide the size which you want to provide to that particular OS. I will provide max to max 50 GB. Okay, you can also provide it approx according to your size. Okay, I will just hit on create, and you can see that my machine has been created. And now what I will need to do, I will need to click on next. So the total installation, I think it takes approx of 20-25 minutes or maybe 30 minutes sometimes. And here you can see you have to just select that particular file. I will just click on this and then click on add. I will select my file here, just click on open and then choose. Okay, and you have selected that ISO file. Now you have to just hit start. Okay, so it will take some time, and then you have to just click enter, hit enter, and it will take some time of approx 5 minutes. Okay, uh, I will pause the video, and when the another screen come I will resume. Okay, now here you can see guys, this window has come up. Now it will ask for the installation, so let's wait. Approximately it takes 30 minutes, I guess. Yeah, now here you can see you have to select the language. It should be English, and then you have to just click on install Ubuntu. And again the same thing like keyboard layout, what you want. So I need English, so I will just hit on continue. Then again continue. It's taking much time. And then you have to just hit on install now. Continue. Then like my region is in India, so it's been already selected. You can also choose according to you. I'm just hitting continue. Now you have to provide a username, so you can my username will be I choose as Ayush, and my password, make sure you remember your password because we will need it again and again. So you have to just make sure you have selected this option, require my password to log in. Okay, then click on continue, and now it will like copy all the files and install the Ubuntu OS. Okay, so I will pause this video. After the complete installation I will be back. Okay, so guys, here you can see file has been almost copied. Okay, now the installation will start. Okay, so it will also take approx 5 to 10 minutes of time. Now guys, you can see like that approx half of our OS has been installed. So it's just unpacking all the libraries and then retrieving files it's doing. So you will learn more about operating system, like how will be the file structure, what are the commands that we will use in our the playlist. Okay, so let it be complete. So it's also installing, I think, different softwares, and here also you can see like this while installing it's showing everything you need for the office. All these things you can check. Okay, here we will get the Firefox web browser and the photo applications we will get yeah, Wheels, Spotify. So as this OS will be a little bit different for the Windows users, like who are using Windows from his childhood or her childhood. Okay, so this will be basically some kind of command line based thing. So you will get some real-time skills. Okay, like that will be helpful in the corporate also, or if you want to go in the domain of cyber security, there is also need of this Linux OS. So that will be very helpful for you. So let it install. I will be right back after the complete installation. So now you can see, guys, like now it will install, as there was some kind of packages it was installing just before I resume the video. Now it should not take much time. It will take, I think, little bit of time. It will just the whatever the packages that has been installed by the system, then it will just unpack all those things. So let's wait for it. Don't know how much time will it take. Unpacking Linux headers. Okay, nice. No, it should not take much time. I don't know why it's taking much time. Unpacking Linux headers. Okay, preparing. Now it's preparing. So guys, now you can see our installation has been completed, and this is the like information box you will get after the successful installation. Now it's asking to restart now, so I'll just hit on restart now. Then it will ask for the whatever the username and the password which you have entered at the time of installation, then that those things you will need to enter. Okay, so it is asking for the remove installation page. Okay, I have to just hit enter. So you will also need to hit enter. Okay, so now it will start, and after that I will tell you something important. Like as you can see, this size of that particular scheme is on little much, but I know like we don't like to do on like the small window. So we will check how we can increase the particular screen size to full screen. Okay, so first of all we will need to log in into the system, then we will need to do some changes in it, then we can easily go into the full screen mode. As this is the first time, so that's why it's taking a little bit of more time as compared to already installed system. So let's wait for it. Now here you can see now your username whatever you have entered. So I had entered the name Ayush. I will just click on it and I will need to just hit the password. Okay, then hit enter. It will take little bit of time to configure everything. Yeah, here we go. So congratulations, you have successfully installed the Linux operating system. Okay, so it will ask for some kind of these thing. If you want to link this with the Google account, then you can go, otherwise you can just skip it. Okay, it's not mandatory to do it. And then also click on next. Then if you want to install some kind of software into this Ubuntu OS, then you can do it, otherwise you can also click on done. Okay, so now you can see this is our OS which is installed successfully, but you can see the screen size is too small for the use. Okay, so for that what we will need to do, we will need to first of all uh, like uh, let me do one thing. I will just uh, power off the window. You can do by the control alt T, then this terminal will open and you have to just enter one command, power off. Now your system has been successfully installed. Just we have to do one thing, like we have to do the full screen mode. Okay, so we will just go in the setting and then again in the display, and you have to do it full to 128 MB, and then you have to just enable the 3D acceleration and make sure your storage is it's showing empty. But what we will need to do just add optical drive, and we will just add this one, vbox just addition.iso. We'll choose it, and then on the empty what we will do, we will just do right click and we will remove this particular attachment, and then you have to go click on OK, and here you can see where vbox there's something. Okay, now what we will do, we will just restart our system. Now again we will need to enter the username and password, not username only, password we will need to hit. Okay, yeah, now we can just hit the password, and then let's show the screen, buddy. Yes, Now you will just scroll down, then you will see this VBox gas. Okay, so you have to just click on it, and then here you have to just hit the right click and then open in terminal, and here we have to just hit this command dot slash auto run dot sh. Okay, so this is what's coming. Software catalog is being downloaded. No, I don't want this right now, just hit close button. This is dot slash auto run dot sh. This is basically a shell script file that we will run. Okay, just hit enter, and it will ask for the authentication. Authenticate. Now it will install some files. Okay, then after the complete installation, again we will need to restart our this machine, and then you can easily set the particular um, like we will get the whole screen. Okay, uh, till now let's do some kind of surfing this OS. So here you can see the Firefox is there, and this is Thunderbird mail we can use as a mail. This is the file system, rhythm box. I think it's some kind of music player. Okay, so here you can see the play install the GCC make for package from distribution. Okay, it will install it, so you don't have to do anything. Now here you can see running command will not be present till the system idea started. Okay, I will need to hit enter, I think. Yeah, just hit enter, and again one thing will come up here. Then after that we will need to hit enter. Okay, just wait for it. Yeah, now it's been done. Okay, now what we will need to do, we will need to just restart the system. You can hit the command reboot. Now it should be done. Hit the password. I think it's not done. Let me check from here. This is the VBox guest edition. What is there? There is also the same thing now. It should happen. Okay, let me show the screen, bro. Yeah, yeah, now done. Okay, so what I just hit that just right control and then press F. Okay, when you will do it, you will go in the full screen, and again you will then do the right control and then have F. Then you will get this the whole screen. Now it looks nice. Now on pressing Ctrl Alt T you can get the terminal on, or by just hitting here. I will just close it, and I think here you can see activities and the trash, and here the all application which you can see, and then from here you can just click on the terminal, and now the terminal will open up. Okay, or the shortcut is Ctrl Alt T. So here I'm just entering the command who am I. This is the basic Linux command. So here you can see it's showing the name as Ayush. Okay, so that's all for today's videos, guys. I hope you have successfully installed the Linux operating system, or you can say Ubuntu OS in your PC using VirtualBox. So that's all for today. So do like, share and subscribe programming knowledge, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.